LANI is Lingap Aksyon, Nanay Inspirasyon. So basically, naka-anchor dun sa acronym ng initials ng name ko yung mga programa. Pag sinabing Lingap, this has something to do with medical assistance, educational assistance, burial assistance. Yung A naman is action. So basically, pag merong mga calamities sa loob ng lungsod namin, nandyan kaagad yung tulong natin. We ask help from DSWD for relief goods distribution. Pag merong pangangailangan, nandyan din syempre, lalo na nung panahon ng COVID and up to now, yung tupad programs ng DOLE, napakalaking bagay yan sa mga nawawalan ng trabaho. So we are blessed with tupad programs per district. So kami yung tumutulong sa mga taong walang trabaho. We give funding for work for 10 days. Malaking bagay po to. So they clean the streets. Sometimes nag-tie up din kami sa DepEd. Sometimes our parents would have problems tutoring their kids. So kasi wala rin silang kakayanan to teach. So sometimes we help college education students to teach our elementary school students or high school students para at least magkaroon ng kaalaman or karagdagang kaalaman yung mga estudyante nahihirapang i-tutor ng kanilang magulang. And they get paid. Parang scholarship na rin aid nila yon. At the same time, they're helping the community. Yung nanay naman, syempre, bilang nanay ng lungsod ng Bacoor, that's what they tag me since I authored the Cityhood Bill of Bacoor. Basically, naka-tie up dun yung mga assistance to our constituents. Inspirasyon, well, ang daming ups and downs ng buhay natin. So, I do believe in my own little way, I get to inspire the mothers, the women, and the younger generation with the kind of service that I give to our constituents. Yun.